That is cool. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Dan H, and welcome to the project. I'm here at the Suffolk County Police Auction sort of preview. It's actually closed right now, but I'm just grabbing a quick shot of this thing because it's awesome. Look at that thing. It's like a troop carrier or something. Just wanted to get this out there so you guys could come bid on it. Take a quick walk around. Here we go. Let's take a look. We got Stuart Stevenson. Got this big truck. It looks like we got like a sheriff logo spray painted over. So it's probably decommissioned sheriff vehicle. Missing a door handle. There we go. Jimmy jam that open. Take a look inside. I think this is like a 97 or a 98. It's a decommed military vehicle used for sheriff purposes. Here's some badging. What do we got? 98? 11/98 delivery date. So it was made before that. Pretty cool. I'm not even gonna climb up. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool, pretty cool. Big old truck. And this thing is huge. Got a nice canvas top. No rips. Not that I can see. Frame's not rotten anywhere. Well, yeah, got a little rust. There's always rust in the Northeast. It's a good shot of the undercarriage. It's pretty cool. Nice big knobby tires. Some mud flaps. There you go. The whole nine. Troop carrier configuration, I believe. There we go. Nice benches. We got enough room for the whole family for a nice camping trip. A nice family camper. Take a look down here. Hitch, a big sucker. Big axles. Everything on this thing is big. Big leaf springs. Big exhaust. She big. Good elastic. Man, this thing is cool. Self-inflating tires. I don't know much about this stuff. Check out the tires. 395/85 R20. They are big. Tubeless. Look at that. 95 PSI. Cold. They're all inflated. Just in case you have a flat. Looks like we got a spare up here. Nice meaty spare. Look at this thing. There we go. Oh, both door handles are gone. How did I get the other one open? Pull, push, push. There we go. There we go. Look at this. Little tie down map. Weights and measures. This is pretty cool stuff. We'll put a nice turret up there. There we go. So unfortunately, I missed Officer Nilsson. I can't get the full tour, but I will get pictures of these, and I'm going to put them up in a little slideshow, and you guys can see the whole auction list in the slideshow, and you just get a little taste of this guy, the troop carrier. So see you at the auction coming up on Saturday. And hopefully I'll get some new videos coming out for my Project Toad. So, all right, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next project. Peace.